Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Filipino Explaining. In this video I'm going to derive the formula for drift velocity in solid state physics, and we shall be guided by this question or this problem. We're having here a problem that is asking us to derive that formula for drift velocity. This is the problem. For an applied electric field E, show that the drift velocity Vd is given by Vd is equals to E small e times electric field E times tau over me, where tau is the average time between collisions, me is the mass of an electron, and E the charge of an electron. In brackets, assume that the electrons are scattered randomly and the initial velocity of an electron after collision is 0. Solution. So before we start working out or deriving the formula or that relationship, I would like to remind you what drift velocity is. Drift velocity is defined as the average velocity attained by the particles or electrons of a given material due to an electric field that is proportional to the current. So let's go straight forward to the working out. Remember, the definition was not part of the question, but it's important to know the definition of what you want to deal with. So Vd or V drift is equals to Vd is given by the summation of V over N, where V is the velocity at any point. Which is the same as the summation, or you can say but V can be represented as U plus AT. So Vd is equal to the summation. We substitute this V with U plus AT over N. And remember, U is the velocity just after previous collision, and T is the time since previous collision. This can also be written as the summation of U over N plus the summation of AT over N, which is the same as the summation of U over N plus A, the summation of T over N. Are we there? Remember, they are sharing. You have just separated this, the numerator, but remember that they are sharing the same the same denominator n. So the same thing, that's the same thing, the same expression, or the same thing but different expressions, sorry, the same thing but different expressions. So the next step, remember we have been told that we have to assume that the electrons are scattered randomly and initial velocity of an electron after collision is 0. Mark this point, the initial velocity of an electron after collision is 0. So u is the initial velocity we are talking about, so u will be 0. So u, when u is 0, the whole of this will be 0. So we are having 0 plus a summation of t over n. Are we there? But remember, from Newton's law of motion, a is equals to f over. Substituting this here, we have Vd is equals to f over m summation of t over n, summation of t over n. But remember, electric force, let's remember, electric force F is equal to the product of charge times product of charge and electric field. So electric force F is equals to charge times electric field E. So F is given by charge. What's our charge? Charge is E. From the question, the charge is E, the charge of an electron. So F is equals to charge E times electric field E. Therefore, you can say but F is equals to charge of an electron times E. Also, summation of t over n is the average time since previous collision, and it is represented by tau. It is expressed as tau. So the whole of this is tau, and F is equals to E. This is the charge of an electron times the electric field. So Vd is equals to F replaced or substituted where there is F, we substitute this. So we have E for electric charge, or for the charge of an electron, sorry, E for the charge of an electron times electric field, the capital E there, times, have said that the whole of this is represented as tau times tau. Remember, we have here m over m, and Vd becomes E tau over m, where m is the mass, is the charge of an electron, the capital E is the electric field, and tau is the average time since previous collision. Vd is the drift velocity, therefore m the mass of an electron. And up to that point, we have shown that the drift velocity is given by E, small e times capital E times tau, the whole of that over me, which is the mass of electron. Are we there? Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, you share, and you can also comment, you like my channel, for your support and for your feedback for the work I'm creating and for the tutorials I'm making for you. Thank you. Till next time. Bye bye.